Welcome to the Top Gun Show. Today we have a personal friend and colleague of mine, Jim Tennant, with EvolveIP on the show. Jim has been, to me, iconic in the cloud space. I know channel partners, you can't go anywhere without people stopping you and asking your opinion on what's happening and all that with cloud. So being in the business for 2 or 3 decades, where do you see cloud going?
So 2 or 3 decades, that's a long time.
You were 10.
You're probably correct. Channel partners is one of the best opportunities and venues that any partner or quite frankly any client has to see what's going on in the cloud. Cloud's not going to stop. Applications continue to grow the need for cloud storage, for cloud backup. Unified communications continue to grow. Applications that people want integrated with those UC solutions continue to grow. Now you have millennials in the workforce, not just working, but making decisions in the workforce.
Right.
Continues to grow the excitement of this business that we're in.
It makes economic sense. It's not a fad. It really makes sense.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So from an EvolveIP perspective, what types of clients are you winning with? What's the profile or pain points that where you seeing more victories on that?
No, excellent question. I think depending on the client, depending on the C-level you're speaking with, they all have IT initiatives. Whether they have a limited IT workforce, whether they have storage needs, backup needs. It could be a production company that's looking for a secure place for their scripts. It could be a credit union that's looking for storage for applications. It could be a field company, a trucking company that's looking for some level of compliancy with the people they have in the field.
Right.
We're winning in a variety of verticals. We're winning in a variety of product vertical sets. And that really speaks to the volume of what we can do in the cloud as well.
Yeah. EvolveIP is a great partner of ours. I'm a huge fan of a lot of the people in the organization and the offering that you have. Tell me what's coming up. Is there anything new coming up this year?
It's constantly exciting, and we have an opportunity to come up here in Petaluma and talk to your team. You created the Fantastic Four. Anytime we can get a chance to tell people about our growth, whether it's through an acquisition of something and or the growth within our what we coined and trademarked the One Cloud. There is an upcoming acquisition that's happening here in March. March Madness is key. And it talks about applications. It talks about and it enables someone to review, record, and retrieve anything that they're doing with their UC system.
Wow.
So we're very excited.
That's
still
cool.
within our voice and our compute segments, right? But we're constantly building what we can to continue that growth with the ecosystem and the demand.
That's great. You just about heard it here first on the Top Gun Show. So that's great. So last question on a personal note. Let's pretend that you're at a talent show and we're just talking backstage and I push you out on the stage. Hundreds and millions of people watching you perform. What are you going to do?
What are they going to see? Well, Jim Tennant, a lot of people don't know, I'm actually a trumpet musician.
Really?
I had an opportunity to excel with music years ago, and I'd probably bring my brass trumpet out and see if I can play a tune.
That's great. Well, there you go. If you want to contact Jim to play at your next Christmas party or any event, contact me at Steve at Top Speed Data, or if you want to hear more about EvolveIP. Thanks for watching the show.